This is Patty Owens at 105 Carver Street in Lake Wales. It is the morning of Sunday, September 8th, I think, about 12:30 a.m. I am looking out my rear window to the north to 110 Ridge Manor. This is my bedroom window. These people are in my backyard, and they get right up close to my window. My bedroom window. So, I mean, not only are they guilty of trespassing and harassment and vandalism, but the invasion of privacy is just creeps you out, man. I mean, ew. Who are these people? Well, I have a good idea, and I intend to make sure that everybody knows who they are, what they've been doing, what they are still doing. They think that they can block me from displaying these videos because they've hacked my computer and they've hacked my phone, the camera. So they try to block me from putting anything out there. But I am not the kind to just, I don't know, take it. Nope. No. I'm going to put the information out there for everybody to see. And when we do finally get the right people to look at this and to say who you are, I'm going to make sure everybody knows. The people that you have told malicious lies about me to will know that it's been you all along.